Okay, we have this antique Magic Chef dryer, 20-pound capacity. Ooh. Anyway, it was making horrible clanking, banging noise, rattling, rumbling, whatever you want to call it. And when you turn it off, the noise continues for a little while. That usually means your blower wheel is shot. It's just basically spinning loose. See the axis staying, and the blower spins, and it vibrates, bangs around. So when the motor spins, it gets it spinning, but not as fast as the motor, so you're not getting good airflow. Sometimes you need to run it twice to get the load to dry, and when the motor stops, the blower keeps spinning and banging around. So for this Magic Chef,